day, and every day I fall. Every day, it makes me wonder why. Every day, my life's worth nothing without you. Every day I think I refuse to cry. Hi, my beautiful people. Hi, my most amazing traders. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. It is a beautiful Tuesday. That simply means that we are already into the week. We are moving on. As traders, definitely we have to move with a plan. We have to know exactly where we are going, what is going on in our trading journey. So please, what's up, what's up, what's up? How is it going over that side? Let me hope it's all going on okay. Let me hope everything is going on amazing. Godwin, good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. I see you over there. I see you. I see you. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you guys. Good to have you guys. It's your girl Lena over here, a binary options trader. All right. Very happy to have you all around. No wasting time, we are already into it and we are already making some money. Okay, when I talk about binary options trading, what comes to your mind is definitely we are on Pocket Option Broker as the platform. So thank you all for joining me. We are definitely getting into it. We are a few minutes late, but that does not stop us from doing what we do best. Okay. Mamu Noa, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? How is your Tuesday? Today I just throwback Tuesday. That is something that I've just formed on my own. Okay, so what's up? Fill me in. How is your day? How is your good? It's amazing going on. We are taking the day slow but sure, definitely. We keep it going. So that is Ma Munwa in the building. And to the next. Good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? How is it going over that side? This is, I do not know how to read that, but good to have you, good to have you. I think the words, the name is the other way around, but good to have you. Happy to have you in the building. Thank you for coming in early enough to join in for our amazing session. Raphael is in the building. Hi, Raphael. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. We go. Okay, so over there, that is a clear um, downtrend, and we have definitely closed in a plus. No time to waste, guys. George, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, paradise. Elena's end. Throwback Tuesday. Paradise. So let us get into it with our slow music. Today I just feel like it needs to be, you know, in the market, it needs to be as fast as possible. We need to make that money from the market, but generally it's a calm day on my end. How is it on your end over that side? Let us do our market analysis. Whenever you open your charts, it does not it does not end on just opening the charts. Keep your eyes glued onto them. Know exactly what is going on. Know the communication on your charts. Keep it going, keep it easy. Do not force anything. Do not put yourself on pressure, all right? For we are here definitely to make the money. So let us get into it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I have changed it back to my 15 over here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we take it one step at a time. Guys, I am a price action trader, I should say. That is my strategy that I am using. When we talk about price action, there are a lot of factors. There are a lot of things to consider when you are using price action as a strategy. But you, as a trader, this is what I keep telling you that actually helps to make life easier, to make trading more interesting, to make it simpler. Okay, you do not have to look at all the factors in the market in price action. Whatever it brings, you flow with it. No, on my end, I just have three factors or three things that I chose out of the many that price action offers. So I chose just those three for me to follow, to make my life easier, to make trading easier on my end. Because once you choose something and you continuously keep doing that same thing, life becomes easier. Life becomes Trading becomes easy. That is one thing I should say. So over there, I have the market conditions. I have to understand what exactly is going on in the market. Am I looking at an uptrend? Am I looking at a downtrend? What exactly is going on and how do I handle that? Okay, so it's not all about you having a lot on your table that you are going to obtain profits. Okay, just get a few things, focus on those, continue with your trading. So when I chose those three. First of all, market direction or the market condition. What is the market telling you? Are you in an uptrend? And if you are in an uptrend, I always tell people if you are in an uptrend, buy, trade with a trend. All right. If you are in a downtrend, sell. Okay. That is the easiest way to do it. One thing you are going to ask One thing you're going to ask yourself, how do you do that? When we are in an uptrend, first of all, we are definitely going to have that continuation. We are going to have that bullish momentum. We are going to see that, of course, the bullish or the uptrend, it's clear you're moving up, all right? But then you also have to be conscious, not just to keep placing in buys, and all that, okay? You need to follow your candlestick patterns. What exactly is going on? So we have what we call the market structure. With the market structure, we are going to look at break of structure. Okay, by break of structure, that means that we are breaking above the previous high. Once the previous high is broken, that we have broken above structure. So over there, you can place in your trades, you can buy, because We know very well that after a break of structure, we do not immediately run into a pullback. Okay, when we talk about an uptrend, okay, these are the three things. Now, when I start explaining, I end up entering into the other like that. So we have market direction, we have market structure, then also the candlestick patterns. These candlestick patterns help me so much, and they are the ones that I use, or they are the ones that refine my entries. Okay, because when we look at the candlestick patterns, the engulfing candles, the marabuzo candles, the hammer, the shooting stars, depending on what patterns you're going to be following or that you're going to be using. That way, you know exactly if we are having those different patterns, then you know exactly what to do. After that pattern closes, if we are looking at an engulfing candle, after that engulfing candle closing, at the formation of the next candle, because engulfing candle, if we are in an uptrend, it clearly gives you a bullish that we are going to start on to a bullish direction, or we are going to move in the up in an uptrend. So you get ready on your next, that is when you start, sorry, on your next formation of a candle, that is when you place in your buy entries. So those are some of the things, those are the three things that I focus so much on for my entries. Those are some of the things that I sat down and I made sure that I understand them. I know exactly what to do before I place in my entries. Knowing, it does not mean that you are not going to face challenges or losses in the market. Know what you have to know, but at the back of your mind, you know exactly that at some point, the market being the market, the fact that we cannot control it, at times it ends up doing whatever it wants to do. All right. So when you talk about market direction, you know, either we are in an uptrend or a downtrend, or we are in consolidation. Okay. So with that, that is the market direction. Identify it, number one. Then we have the market structure. With the market structure, we are definitely going to look at the higher highs and the higher lows. Here we are looking at those key points. Okay. So when we talk about market structure, we are going to look at, for an uptrend, we are going to look at that major low that pushes that previous high to break structure. Once structure is broken to the upside, we do not, we are going to anticipate a pullback. But sometimes you find that after break of structure, we have a continuation before we actually enter into a pullback. What gives you a sign that over here we are going to have a pullback? By a pullback, it means that for an uptrend, it means that the sellers are coming into the market. A formation of just one candle does not confirm to you that we are running into a pullback. Give it at least two candles formed to three, then there at least you are very, very sure that over here a pullback, or the sellers are trying to enjoy their small time in the market, okay, before we actually have a continuation. So studying and knowing that, okay, we had a break of structure, but now, what do I have to consider as a pullback? So, knowing that with a candlestick formation, with the sellers coming into the market, it gives you that hint that over here we are in a pullback. After that, how do you know that the pullback has come to an end? Okay, That is also something very important for you to know as a trader. As you see on the chart over here, we anticipated, or I anticipated a pullback, but actually we have broken below the previous low, the that major higher low. So that simply means that we had a reversal in that particular point. So how do you know that we have come to the end of a pullback? The candlestick patterns that form after that give you a go ahead, okay? They give you a go ahead. When a pullback is coming to an end, you will see such candlestick formations, okay? We are going to have an engulfing candle. We are going to have candlestick patterns or bullish candlestick patterns formed, okay? That clearly gives you that over here we have definitely come to an end. If you see an engulfing candle on my end, I focus so much on that area, and other bullish candles formed. So once you see that, you are definitely in the right position or in the right mind for you to continue with your buying. That simply means that we are having a continuation in the market. Okay, so definitely if we are okay, that is for a continuation. Then for the break below, or for a reversal, we are definitely going to break below. We are going to break below that major higher low, okay, that we focused on to push us, for us to break the other high, to break structure. I don't know if you are I don't know if you are getting me. I'm trying to explain it the easiest way possible. So when we break below, that gives us a reversal instead of a continuation. Then when we come to the downtrend, and we are looking at market structure, we are going to look at the lower highs and the lower lows. And for the lower and for the downtrend, the lower high is our major point that we focus at to break the previous lower low. Once the previous lower low is broken, we are definitely having a break of structure. That simply means that our most recent low has been broken, meaning we are having a break of structure over there. We anticipate a pullback still. With a pullback, that is when the buyers come into the market, okay? They are trying to redeem themselves in the market, because like I said, if we are in a downtrend and we say the sellers are in control of the market, it does not mean they are fully in control of the market, that the buyers are nowhere to be seen. With the pullbacks, that's when we are able to see these opposites, okay, either in an uptrend or in a downtrend. So with a pullback over there, after that, the next candlestick formation definitely gives you what is going to happen. Either we have a continuation, or we break above and have a reversal. So that is it with my strategy, having market direction, market structure, candlestick patterns, knowing the candlestick patterns that you're always going to look out for in the market. Very, very important, because if you keep saying that, me, whichever candlestick forms, I'm going to go with that, you might find a challenge, because there are a number of candlestick patterns that are formed in the market. All right, so that is it. That is it with my strategy. And then as you see over there, the alligator indicator, it also backs up my strategy. I look at it, it helps me with market direction, momentum, all right. It gives me signals when to get ready to enter into the market. Of course, when it gives me its signal, I will check on my factors in my strategy and see whether they are all aligning. And then I strike into the market. Okay. So that's how simple I do my thing. I do not know how you do it on your end, but I decided to make trading easy. At the end of the day, I'm not here to fight with the market. I'm here to get my profits, my money out of it, and then I let it be. Okay. All right. Yeah. Hi, Ruth. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. That is Ban. Hi, Ban. What's up? What's up? What's up? So, with that, I look at market direction, market structure, then the candlestick patterns. All right. That is Tafida. What's up? What's up, David? Good to see you. Good to see you. Ivan is in the building. Coffee. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you okay, love her when Ivan. Lena, more clarity on break of structure, please. When we talk about a break of structure, the one thing that you have to have in your mind is that you have we have major swing highs and the major swing lows, all right? So if we are in an uptrend, we have that major low that pushes the major high. Once that major high, that is the most recent price that we are having. Once we break it and we go above it, there we are breaking structure. We have broken the most recent structure that we had, and we have gone above it. So that is break of structure. We have broken above it and we have gone above it. All right. I do not know if that makes sense. If uh, uh, but what we have to focus so much on we are having the higher highs and the higher lows. But definitely you are going to have to focus so much on that swing high or that swing low that pushed that swing high to break that structure. So that is what you are going to focus so much on. Whether when we are in an uptrend, you are definitely going to look at buying candles over there formed. So over there, you can actually take buying entries at that point after the break of structure, because in a few minutes or few seconds you are going to definitely see a pullback coming into the market. So that's why you see that some traders will be like, on my end, after break of structure, I buy. I'm talking about an uptrend. I just want us to be in one direction such that we don't get confused. After break of structure, I buy. Then I wait for the pullback to close. After that break of when we break the structure, we had a certain structure, but after breaking it, we are definitely moving still above in that same direction. So when we talk about break of structure, that's slightly it. When you talk about a reversal, let me give an example on a bearish direction. Okay. Okay. Just collecting here and then we proceed. Okay. Okay, so when we talk about a reversal, let me give an example of a bearish direction. We were, of course, moving in a way that we were moving. We broke structure, and then we had a candle. We had a pullback formation. Then after that pullback closes, instead of us having a continuation, we break above the previous high, the previous or the major high, that is the higher low, that is the major swing high. We break above it, so that now ceases to be a downtrend. Now we are having a reversal because we have broken our major high. Now we are moving in an opposite direction. So that clearly gives us a reversal. Okay. Hi Godwin. Good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? Okay, guys, today is a new day, and for our donations, for our participants, I would love each and every one of us. I would love to wish you good luck. We are definitely looking for profits, positivity all the way, so we get started off. Let's see how today is going to be. Rewrite the stars. Okay. Rewrite the stars. One thing you should know is that When you are looking at your charts, that is beautiful. First attempt, good, good, good. When you are trading, it's very, very important for you as a trader to focus on your chart so much, because if you are on and off, there is a point when you look at these charts and things seem completely different. You do not understand what your charts are communicating or what the candlestick patterns are up to. You get, so you focusing on your charts helps you a lot to make sure that at least you analyze these movements, you know exactly what to do next, what to do next after what, and when to wait. All right. So just keep it focused. Just make sure that at least if you say that you are going to be on your charts for 2 hours, for 3 hours, make sure that you are fully in. Okay. It helps you so much not to make wrong decisions. Okay. Yashan, good to have you. Coffee is in the building. Hi, Coffee. What's up? How are you doing, my brother? Okay, Godwin. I see you, my brother over there. Justin, good to have you. Oh my goodness. Love from Rwanda. Good to have that side too. I should learn something. Surely, I should learn something from that side as well. Okay. Beautiful, guys. We keep it going, and we have our first win over here. That is Nova. Congratulations. Okay. Guys, today I do not want you to wonder what's happening. We are in Throwback Tuesday. I don't know whether that happens, but my Tuesday, I'm just riding like that. Okay, I'm seeing as Fancy. Okay. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Capral is in the building. Good to have you. Asazema. Hi, what's up? What's up? Muzahid is in the building. Good to have you. Good to have you. Wishing me the very best. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. Godwin, I see you over there. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for always coming through. Big up on yourself, my brother. And you bless you. I'm alive. I get wings to fly. God knows that I'm alive. Okay, we keep it rolling. Let me withdraw for Nova. I think the fact that I wanted old style, I've just discovered that I don't know much of them actually, but I can see it in your eyes, cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake, the heat between your legs. You've been scared of love. Batra, can you teach me your strategy? That's very okay. It's very okay by me. I'm actually just from talking about my strategy, which is price action, right? My strategy is a price action, and you and me know that price action is broad, it's wide, and we have a lot of factors in there that we can pick out and consider in our trading. Okay, on my end, I decided to choose just a few, which is understanding market direction, understanding market structure, and understanding candlestick patterns. With those, I focus so much on understanding market structure. Market direction could be easy for any of us to understand. With the market structure, what you focus on are the swing highs and the swing lows. So you have to understand those major swing highs and those major swing lows that actually enable you to break structure. And definitely over there, you place in your entries. Are you a pullback trader? Are you going to be trading at continuations only? Or are you going to be looking at reversals? So all those are different options that you have at your plate. Okay. On my end, I find it so easy to trade at a break of structure, market continuation, anyways, all of them now. But when I just started, it was break of structure and continuation. Okay, I was so focused and so settled in for trading with a trend. Okay, that would give me trend continuations and all that. Anything that is with that particular trend that I'm in, I was always in. But then I took some time, I learned to do the reversals, the pullbacks as well. So my focus was put on that direction, market structure, and the candlestick patterns. You and me, we know very well that there are a number of candlestick patterns, but which ones are you? Which ones do you feel comfortable in? Which ones are you ready to use? Okay, there are people that will be so comfortable with engulfing candles, marabuzo candles, pin bar, like we are all different. What might be so easy for me might actually be a little difficult for you, and what might be difficult for you might it could be the reversal. So understand candlestick patterns and know when exactly to come into the market and know exactly, because the candlestick patterns definitely refine my entries on my end. They do refine my entries. Okay. So that is with my strategy, price action. That's how I go about it. Sabe, what's up? What's up? Bonjour. On my end, is it bonsoir yet? I know bonsoir is evening time. Okay, so bonjour, comment ça va? At times, as people who do not know these particular languages, you greet and you respond to yourself. But anyways, at least I know just a greeting. So good to have you, good to have you, Seb. Okay, Tafita. I've actually, I don't know, maybe in the first minutes, maybe you've been off, but I've actually talked and explained about my strategy, right? Which is price action. Penny Pal, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, my darling? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Daniel, hi, my brother. Good to have you, good to have you in the building. How is your day? Penny Pal, my day is amazing. I don't know, but today I feel settled to calmness. I don't know, but I feel settled to calmness. You could be listening to my music and it's a bit weird, but I feel like a throwback something and I've created my own. So, Throwback Tuesday. So that's where I am right about now. And when you are trading, we all have different ways of fitting ourselves into the mode, giving ourselves that comfortability for us to be able to trade and be profitable. So it depends on what moods I'm in. So today I'm in throwback. I do not know much of them, but I know a few of them that I actually love. Okay, so that is it with me over here. Just me. Hey, just me. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. It has been a minute. I see. I see. I see. But anyways, good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. Really? Yeah. It's it keeps me going. It keeps me going. Yeah. We get on. So far, so good. Let's see for Bravo. 3 atoms. Let us keep it going. We get into with our second. Shine in beautiful, yeah. We are in for our last one. So let's see. Oh dear. Over there, my anticipation. Look at that. Why are you doing this to me? So sorry about that, brother. On our last attempt, we have closed in a loss. Alexander, 700 US dollars. We are looking at 7,000. Guys, one thing you should have is that whenever you make a loss in the market, just keep believing and knowing that if today has not been okay, tomorrow will be okay, all right? We know very well and we definitely expect the losses. We know that the losses have to happen. So, for as long as you can still stand, that's why I emphasize so much risk management, okay? to change his ways. And no message any good. And make a change. Okay. Okay, Rufus. Hi, Rufus. What's up? What's up? What's up, my dear? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Oh, well, deep in the sky, somebody's broken heart and washed out dreams. They follow the pattern of the wind to sea. They got no place to be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking you to change his ways. And no message could be in. If you wanna make a world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking you to change his ways. Okay, I love that. Okay. The buyers are really against me, but of course in a fuss. The man in the mirror. Let us proceed. Okay. We are looking at 7,000. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, Vanakam, all-time fave. What's up, my brother? What's up, my brother? How are you doing today? How are you doing today? How is everything over that side? Pedrito, hola, what's up? Good to have you. Rufus, I see you, my brother. Pedrito. Hi, how are you doing? We need one shot just like this. Okay, let us watch carefully. Jason Perez, good to see you. Okay, so guys, whoever wants to know or whoever wants to donate, or whoever wants to understand exactly what is going on over here, one thing you should know is that there is a donations link in my description. Please check it out. Understand exactly what is happening as we collect these for Alexander. Congratulations. Look at that. Okay. If your true colors shining, true colors, that's why I love you. Don't be afraid. Sanjay, Vanakam, my brother, Vanakam. What's up? How are you doing? How is today? Good to have you Okay. All time Feb. My day is not fulfilled without what. Ooh, how lovely, how lovely, how lovely. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. You make me feel on top. Thank you guys for the love. Vanakam, good. Sanjay, good to have you. All time fave, good to have you. Penny Paul, thank you. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Taking it one step at a time. All right. Joshua is in the building. Hi, Joshua. What's up? What's up? Good to have you, my brother. How are you doing today? That is Pipunisha. Okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? True colors shining, true colors. That's why I love you. Don't be afraid. Okay, so we get into it. That is Sereno Vox. True colors, four atoms. Don't be I love it when people check on each other. Sanjay. Yeah, Godwin is in the building. Godwin, Penny Paul. We have Joshua over there. Jason, I see you. All time fave, Raphael. Guys, you're all so much loved. You're all so much loved. Thank you for always coming through. To our new people who are just coming through, good to have you, good to have you. Please hit that like button for me and subscribe. For anyone who wants to chat with me personally, please, my Telegram link is attached over there. Feel free to feel free to hit me up. Let's chat. Okay. Okay, look at that. I love the way Sanjay does his things. Okay. Oh, that is lovely. That is lovely. Godwin, thank you so much. Okay, let us proceed. Think twice. Another day with you, me paradise. Oh, think twice. Another day with you, me paradise. Okay, three more items to go. Rufus, what's up, what's up? Okay, let's go. Guys, we are all in to make some money for these amazing participants for the day. So far, so good. Another day. Mm-mm. Think twice. Another day with you. You and me, paradise. Hey, 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 hey. There we go with a minus. Not good at all. Not good at all. That was for Sereno. So sorry about that. My apologies. Today it has not gone well. Next time, better. All right. Think twice. Another day with you, paradise. L1 3. No, that is white taker. 4 attempts still. Okay, guys, I love it when we are having this amazing conversation. I love, guys don't know. You guys don't know. So look at that whole conversation. It's all about you guys. It makes me feel so happy and so blessed. Okay, I love that. Beautiful. That is our first win over there. Our first win for quite a come. Good. Beautiful. Look at that. Timothy girl. Stop loving you. Stop loving you. Of course, we broke below, as you can see over there. So I'm trading at a pullback. All right, that is amazing. So after the pullback, let's see with a candle formation over there. All right. Definitely, we anticipate a continuation. All right, so that's how you keep monitoring your trades, unless the market just does what it does best to disorganize us. But for as long as you are in check with your candlestick patterns and you know exactly what's going on, you end up running away with a sack of money. Good, 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 good. That is for White Taker over there. Ethan, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. That question, people love it so much. 10 US dollars into 1,000. Hmm. It's unrealistic, but possible. It depends on how patient you are. But one thing you should not forget is the fact that you you're going to experience losses, because I cannot tell you that from $10 you're going to go to $50 to $100. No, it doesn't work like that. There are losses incurred. Okay, so it depends on how patient you're going to be with the $10. Of course, losses involved. You're not going to have a bed of roses. Okay, so stop loving me. Stop loving me. Stop loving me. We have closing a loss over there. That is for our first attempt for LON. We give it a second try. Guys, what happens is, in our donations, on the first attempt, if we close in a loss, or that you find it in the donations link, there are terms and conditions. So for the first attempt, if we make a loss, I reinvest. Okay, I reinvest, and then we take another try. Something I said or done. Sometimes you feel there is no fun. That's why you turn and run. But now I truly realize people going on your mind. But I saw them with my own eyes. Spreading those lies. I wanna live my life. Many sleepless nights, not mentioned in the fight. Baby, I'm walking away from troubles in my life. I'm walking away. From troubles in my life, I'm walking away. Okay, we had a consolidation situation over there. Okay. Yes, Sanjay, I definitely did. I definitely did. I learned from the best. I know that definitely I'm going to be asked whether I had lunch. So I'm also learning to take care of myself. I have to come for the sessions when I'm well, when I'm satisfied, when I'm good. So thanks to Sanjay who takes care of us. we definitely have to take care of you too. How is your day going? I know it's already late. Are you at work? Or today, after your shift, you went back home? 'Cause I remember that day, I think we were talking about a night shift, something like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Today I'm all in. A throwback Tuesday. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that, but I've created my own. Hey, 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 hey. That did not go well. Our last attempt for LON. We've closed in our loss. Not good at all. So sorry about that. Mhm. You will find me time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me time after time. Okay. Okay, that is beautiful. Some amazing momentum is built over here. Mhm. Time after time. I know, I know. I know, so close, so close, so close. That is Ada. Hi, Ada. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. How is your day over there? How is your amazing life? Good to have you come through. Okay, Red Thorn. Let's see how we are going to close it. Two down, three more to go. It's all right, my darling. I can understand. I can understand. Most importantly, for as long as actually, at times, if you do not come in through early enough. You can take some time and you watch the whole video, or you watch the whole session from where I started from, because in the first hour, that is when we learn a lot. Okay, so you go through it and then yeah, you learn something. But good to have you, good to have you. Family, very, very important. How is everything that side? How is your family doing? How is everyone? You gotta get it out control. Maybe like a lonely woman. I'm into you. I'm into you. Yeah. Okay, look at that. That is for red. One more to go. You got it. You got it. In your eyes, you got me with your love controller. Feel like a falling flower. I'm into you. Yeah. Our last attempt should be good to us. Okay, look at that. Let's go. Congratulations to Raid. 5 items and we close in a plus. Mm, congratulations. You got me with fire love controller. Feel like a falling flower. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Godwin. Adam. All right, all right. I wish you all the very, very best, my dear. Okay, 553 items for blank. Motivation, my solution is my queen. Yeah. But I'm empty when you're gone and they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretend? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no. Okay, with the MACD settings. For the MACD settings, I actually don't use it that much, but it's set at its default, same as the alligator indicator. Ooh, first attempt closed at a loss. We give it a second try and we see. JPL Prima. MACD is set at default, so right. Found myself a cheerleader. Ooh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. Okay. Guys, we are into it. 2 more to go. Let's see how we close off with this. Ooh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. Hey, beautiful. The sellers wanted to disorganize me right about now, but we're closing up plus. So let's see. Ooh. No chance for us. No chance at all. No chance. Sorry about that. That is for blank. Our last attempt did not go as anticipated. Joseph, good to have you. Good to have you. Jesus, Elena, what's up? Good to have you. Good to have you join in. Next, that is next service. 3,000 as our take profit. Okay, let us get started and we'll see. Really? You're welcome, Godwin. You are welcome. You're welcome, my dear. Let me definitely hope that it helps a brother, a sister over there to move forward in the journey, okay? That's lovely. Godwin Ada. Thank you for the response, my darling. Thank you. Okay, we keep it going, we keep it rolling. You're the dream I keep when the world falls asleep. Okay, we are into it. Remember, we are looking at our tech profit as 3,000. Ooh. Okay. How many years your experience in trading? It's 5 years. 5 years into trading. Okay, that is nothing now. We get going, just 2 atoms. All he needs is okay. One more night, one more night. Okay, that is our first attempt. Just one more to go. All the very best to nothing now. Let's see. Where are you from? I'm from Canada, my brother. I don't know if I'm talking to a brother or a sister. I don't know. But I'm over here in Canada. One more night. Mm-hmm. One more night. One more night. One more night. Okay, we go for our second attempt. We are still in an uptrend, guys. Okay. No time to waste, guys. No time to waste. Congratulations. That is for nothing now. Congratulations. One more night. Really? Really, drop theory is saying something. Really. Big up to my brothers and sisters of Kenya. What's up? Good to have you in the building. Stefan, I see you over there. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. More night, one more night. Okay. 450. That is Cura 3 atoms. JPL. Okay, such an amazing question. Yes, I am married. I am married. Zita, what's up? What's up? What's up, my darling? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Uh-huh. Okay, 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 okay. JPL. That's you will pardon me on that. Okay. Okay. Let's keep it going, guys. Let us keep it going. See more atoms for Kura over here. Today is actually a calm day, an amazing day for us as traders. Guys, make sure if you are a full-time trader just like me, and for those that are coming through and for those that are beginners, just make it a point in your place where you stay, where you can trade from. It depends. Just do your very best that in that particular period that you have chosen, make sure that you are having full attention to your charts. It makes trading way easier. No distractions, depending on whether you're going to trade for 2 hours, 3 hours. It all depends on what you choose to do or what you decide to do as a trader. And the other thing, do what makes you happy. Do what takes you to the level that you want to be at. No competition. Do not try to put yourself at a level where maybe others think of. Okay, so just make sure that you give yourself that environment that enables you to do what you have to do. Be you, trade for you, make yourself happy, okay? Do not be too selfish when trading, okay? Just make sure that you do what you have to do, get out, get what you can get, and then you get out. So, right. So, that is something small for us to reflect on. Just make sure that you trade for you, not for anyone else. Very, very important. Okay, so that is for Cuba over there, and we can say congratulations. Right. Okay. So, how old are you? That question, actually, for the answers, sometime back we had a serious conversation over here. All right. And that I leave it to you guys. How old do I look? I don't know. I don't know whether I look 50, whether I look 15, whether I look what. I did not know. I did not know. So that I left it to you over that side. Okay. So you can give me an age that I look like. That I will not answer to it. Just give me your predictions and then we go with that. All right, Carlos. Hi, Carlos. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. It has been a minute. Hope you're doing amazing. Thank you, Zita. Thank you so much. The heart wants what it wants. Let's go for just 2 items and we see. Today, actually, the list is quite. Thank you, Goodwin. Okay. Okay, that is um, I think Brian. Okay. Okay, I definitely by Godwin saying that he is trying to bring us back to the donations over here, you know, trying to focus and to concentrate. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Godwin. Thank you, my darling. Thank you so much. Godwin over there, I just wanted that you have full attention on the chat and trade the donations. Thank you. Very, very true. Thank you so much, Godwin. Thank you so much. So, about our last attempt over here. Beautiful. Look at that. I love it when we are nailing it. That is for Ian. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, brand things around late 20s. All right, all right. Okay. That time we actually had an amazing conversation, and yeah. Mhm. Okay. Okay, so brand, that is what you think about my age. Very, very interesting. And then I love it when people interact and people get to the same point. All right. So Godwin and Brian, I love you both so much. Thank you so much. And of course, we are brothers and sisters over here. Good spirits, good energy. We we believe for the very, very best. Let's stay positive, okay? Mhm. So about okay. Where are you now? Thank you, Stefan. Good to see you. Good to have you around. What's up? How is it going on your end over that side? Okay. So the list is quite long, but we are out of time. So Stefan, good to have you. Thank you for joining in. And definitely I'm always here, 3 p.m. Canadian time. Feel free to like and subscribe. Join in every single day. Let's grow together. Let's learn together. Let us grow together. Give me paradise. Okay, two more to go, guys. Okay, I think let's have this. Okay. The day Superman got knocked down. Ooh. There we are just having a continuation. The anticipation just did not go our way. So guys, I will stop there with the donations that is for Duck. My sincere apologies that we have not gone away with profits. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for today. It has been an amazing one. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for always coming through, trading with me, learning with me. You learn from me, I learn from you. We make um, wonders in trading. All right. At the end of the day, you should be able to trade on your own, make some profits for yourself. That is what makes me so happy. And definitely, thank you so much for always coming through. The audience is always so active. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you so much. 3 p.m. our time each and every single day. So I will catch you tomorrow. Bye bye. Call away. I'll be there to save the day. Then I'm only one call away. When you're weak, I'll be strong. I'm gonna hold you on. And don't you worry, darling. Just run into my arms. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman,